Hi, and welcome to Skyfire. We're enabling AI agents with payments. So today I'm going to go over some problems that Skyfire is solving. I'll give a demo of an agent using Skyfire today for payments, and then I'll walk you through how you can set your agents up to use Skyfire as well. So here's Ada, a personal assistant agent. She's accessible via API or via a chat interface like what we have here. So Ada's going to use Skyfire to access a number of paid services on demand, depending on the task that I ask her. After this demo, I'll also show you how you can get your agent up and running with Skyfire so they can do something similar. Now, what's great about Ada is that she's not limited just to her own capabilities, but because she's on Skyfire, she can access a number of premium services on demand. So she'll make the determination of what service to use based off a number of variables like price. So let's get started. The first thing I'll ask Ada to do is give me a data set. Let's say I'm interested in Bitcoin prices. Great. So Ada goes out and she finds a variety of data sources that I can use in my analysis. In the interest of time, let's just buy one. So what Ada does is she's able to go out and get a quote for how much this service costs. In this case, it was just over 2 pennies. Now that meets the budgeting that I've set within Ada, and so she makes the purchase and receives the data set. Now that she has that data set, she can take it and go to a variety of other services to do some basic analysis on it. So let's get a summary. She is now going to a different service for less than a penny and coming up with a summary of what that data set includes. So let's give Ada a little bit more complex task. Let's have her actually write a full Bitcoin research paper. So to do that, we're going to have her put together a task list of all the things she's got to do in order to deliver a good paper. So task list, write a Bitcoin research report. Ada is either going to determine what that list is herself, or in this case, she went to a different service to come up with 5 tasks that are dependent, each one of these basing themselves on the one before it in order to provide an excellent Bitcoin research report. Now, when I execute these tasks, this is where Skyfire really starts to shine, because you can see Ada is going out and hitting these premium services based on what they're good at and what their costs are to compile an excellent Bitcoin research report for me. All right, now that you've seen Ada in action, I'm going to show you how to set your own AI agents up with Skyfire Payments. So the first step is to get access to our dashboard. If you're interested in getting access, reach out to us at sales@skyfire.xyz. We'll send an email with all the login information. Once you're in, navigate down to the Developers tab and click Create API Key. Save that. Now click here to visit our developer docs. There's a lot of great information here, including information on the Skyfire Demo project and how that works. But you can just go to API Reference for a quick start. Within API Reference, you can see the available receivers that we have in terms of tasks that exist, or click on OpenRouter if you're interested in having access to over 100 different LLMs. So in the header, put in your API key, navigate down to Try Now, and click that. Awesome. Here you'll see the response. We've successfully reached out and hit an LLM with Skyfire managing the payments. Now, this was a curl command, but you also have the ability to see examples and snippets that you can put directly in your code for Node, Ruby, PHP, and Python. So I'll show you how we can use a curl command with Skyfire as an example of how ready this is for use. So I will export. I'm just saving my API key right now. Great. Now I should be able to copy this curl command and get a response. Great. So Skyfire has managed the access and controlled the payment, and now you have the ability of empowering your AI agents with accessing these LLMs. So I'll show you going back to the dashboard. Now you can see the usage that your agents have as they make payments to complete the tasks that you have at hand.